Alright, so this is our DIY. I don't know if it's DIY, do it yourself, or DYI, do yourself in pool. It lasted about 5 years, and then we started getting a floating liner. It mostly started here behind the stairs. And then this last winter, everything was floating in the deep end, and it got to the point there was no way to fix the liner without putting in a new liner. So after getting the liner out and running our sprinklers on our grass, we have water, and this is a long way from the grass. The sprinklers are way over there. The water will actually come down and start running underneath the seams to the concrete and between the pool rails. If you've done a pool warehouse in your in-ground liner pool, that's where this came from, the pool warehouse. You have these metal sides, and then they sit on top of a shoulder, and then you dig all that out. And I have followed the directions of what they said to do. And in the seams where these panels come together, they just say to put duct tape on there and they'll be fine. Well, I don't think that's true. I think you need to silicone those seams. And I'm hoping that I can put some expanding foam where these panels meet at the base, and then I'm going to seal these steps. You can see there's a gap in these steps, and I think the water, and in the wintertime the ground gets so saturated the water just comes all the way through here and fills out, gets behind the liner and causes the liner to float. And it was bad this winter. So we have water that pours when the sprinklers are running. We have water that pours from behind the light niche. And also, speaking of the light, this is also from the pool warehouse. And this is still water left from behind when the pool, and it's hard to tell now, but our light quit working some time ago and it would just short out. Well, it's all rusted. And it doesn't get sealed in here. There's the light niche, there's just duct tape there. And it should have been silicone. I should have known better. So the plan is I'm going to get underneath here. You can see this crack right there. I'm going to fill all the way up, all the way around with a hydrophobic foam and hopefully reseal this up, and then I'm going to fix all the cracks and then put it back together. But this is what it looks like right now. It's just a disaster. And we developed cracks everywhere. Got a crack here. We got a crack running down the middle. We got cracks everywhere. So I'm hoping a day or two we can get all this stuff sealed up and get the new liner in. That's right there. Stay tuned.